So basically today we're going to be recording a quick video on how to master party chat. We're going to show you some tips on how to make sure your background noise isn't coming through. We're going to show you how to make your party invite only, invite friends, and all the basics on how to use a party on Xbox Live. So let's get to it real quick. Okay, so the first step that you're going to do is you're going to go to your Xbox dashboard and you're going to navigate to the party options. So let's do that now. So party can be found either in the Parties and Chats app, or you can make one directly by inviting a friend. So we're just going to create a party to start. So now that we've created our party, now you got a couple options here. So you can make it invite only. So this is to prevent other people from joining your party without an invite. You can also turn noise suppression on or off. Now this setting is recommended for people who have loud backgrounds, TVs, fans, dogs, any noise in the background. You also got some other settings over here. For example, if you want text-to-speech on, so you want to be able to type and it, speak the text out loud, you can do that. You can set it up there with the options that I've just shown. Anyways, now that we've done that, the next step here is we're going to try inviting some people. First things first, you could either click invite straight out of the party, or you could go over to your friends tab and you could invite from over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to invite this guy. Now let's say you're in a party already and you would like to invite everybody to a game and you don't want to have to do it individually. So one of the ways that we could do that is we could just quickly go to the party and there will be an invite everybody to game option there. As you can see, it's blacked out for me currently because I'm not actually in a game, but that is one option. You can also click on your party members individually and click view profile and then invite them straight from there. The option's usually on the top. It's not going to be here in this example because we're looking at my profile. I've shown you basically everything I know about a party. We may have skipped over some short things, but that's basically the gist of it. That's how you're going to use an Xbox party. So, hope this helps, and yeah, see ya.